Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to gorgeous Bavaria. Today, we're going to have an energizing practice, which is a short practice, and it's perfect for you if time is limited today. For this class, you don't need anything besides yourself, a yoga mat, and some comfortable clothes. So, whenever you're ready, let's begin. Starting this class today in sun salutation. So find your way at the front of your mat. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Roll your shoulders up and back. Open up the chest. Rest your hands next to your body. And take a deep breath in. Exhale out. One more time, deep breath in. Exhale out. Deep breath in through the nose. And exhale out through the nose. Now inhale, reach your hands to the front and up, palms facing forward. Slightly guide your arms back. Exhale, fold forward in Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift. Rest your hands on top of your shin, your thighs, or in front of you. Look towards the front. Exhale, step your right foot back, drop the right knee down. Inhale, look up. Your right toes are pointing towards the back. Look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now drop your knees, chest and chin to the ground until you come to a complete on the floor. Inhale, roll your shoulders up and away from the ears. Look towards the front. Exhale, downward facing dog. 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, lengthen your spine. 3, tailbone reaching up high towards the sky. 4, slowly guide your sight towards your navel or thigh. 5, and slowly, with your next inhale, step both of your feet towards the front of the mat. Fold forward. Inhale, reach your hands towards the front and up. Exhale, hands to heart. This was the right side. Let's do the left. Inhale, bring your hands up. Exhale, fold forward. Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift. Look up. Exhale, this time step your left leg towards the back of the mat. Drop the left knee down, look up. Inhale, reach your head up high. And exhale, step back into downward facing dog. Drop your knee, chest and chin towards the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Keep your elbows close to the body. Exhale, downward facing dog. 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, keep your fingers spread wide apart. 4, engage your core. Keep your belly tucked in. And 5. And then slowly lift up your heels. Walk your feet towards the front of the mat. Fold forward in Uttanasana. Inhale. Reach your hands to the front and slightly up. Exhale, hands to heart. Now inhale, this time we bring the hands to the side and up, over the head. We look through the thumb. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift. Look up, lengthen the spine. Exhale, step both of your feet back towards the back of the mat. Chaturanga Dandasana. Bend your elbows. Inhale, upward facing dog, look up. Keep your knees away from the mat. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. And then slowly with your next inhalation, reach your right leg up towards the sky. Keep your hips straight. Keep your leg lifted for 3 deep breaths. Keep going. And then slowly with your next inhalation, step your right foot in between your hands. Drop your left heel down into 45-degree angle. Inhale, reach your hands up in Warrior One. Look up. Exhale, now open your arms to the side. Open the chest to the left. Look over your pointy and middle finger. Keep your knee above your ankle. Keep your shoulders away from the ears. Inhale. Exhale deep. Inhale, now reach towards the front. Your palm is facing towards the sky. And exhale, shift the sky back into peaceful warrior. Look up. Inhale. And exhale, rotate the arms down. Come back down towards the mat. Find your way back in downward facing dog. 3 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. And then with your next inhale, reach your left leg up towards the sky. Keep your leg lifted for 3 breaths. Readjust if you must. Strong arms, strong right leg. And then slowly with your next inhale, step your left foot in between your hands. Drop the back heel down. Inhale, hips are straight. Reach your hands up towards the sky. Look up. Exhale, opening the hands to the side. Warrior Two. Look over your hand. Knee and heel are in one line. Opening up the chest. Inhale, move your palm towards the sky and to the front. Exhale, guide the air back. Look up. Inhale deep. And exhale, rotate your arms down towards the mat. Come into downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in downward dog. Inhale. Exhale deep. And with your next inhalation, reach your right foot up towards the sky. Exhale, step your right foot in between your hands. Drop the back heel down. Inhale. Warrior One. Look up. Exhale. Open in Warrior Two. Look towards the front. Align your knee and your heel. Inhale. Reach forward. Exhale. Shift your weight back. Keep your front knee bent. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly release your right arm on top of your right thigh and reach your left hand above and towards the front. Keep reaching, opening up the chest. 2 deep breaths. And then with your next exhalation, guide your arm down. Find your way back into downward facing dog. Inhale, lift up your left leg. Exhale, step your left foot in between your hands. Drop the back heel down. Inhale, Warrior One. Keep reaching. Exhale, open in Warrior Two. Open to the side, look over your front fingers. Inhale deep. Exhale. Inhale, shift your weight towards the front. Exhale, guide the air back into space. Inhale, come back. And exhale, your left arm comes on top of your left thigh. Your right arm reaches over, opening up the chest. Inhale deep. Exhale, guide your arm down. Find your way back into a downward facing dog. 3 deep breaths in downward dog. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, reach your right leg up. Exhale, step your right foot in between your hands. This time, move your right foot parallel to the outside of the mat and sit down on the right side in Skandasana. So your heel and your tailbone and your butt cheeks are coming together. Now don't worry if you cannot reach your right heel down towards the mat. That's perfectly normal. You're more than welcome to use a block, a book, or just keep it the way it is, and then within time we will guide ourselves down. Opening up in Skandasana. Inhale. Exhale deep. Inhale one more time, and then slowly reach your hands back towards the front of the mat. Exhale, step away back into downward facing dog. Now from here we want to just move our right leg up towards the sky again. Inhale. Now exhale, shift your left foot to the inside on the mat and reach your right leg underneath through. Step your right leg outside of the mat and inhale, reach your left arm up towards the sky. Fallen triangle pose. Inhale. Exhale, find your way back in downward facing dog. Inhale, lift up your left leg towards the sky. Exhale, step your left foot in between your hands. Now from here, move your hands towards the right side, so inside. Shift your foot parallel to the outside of the mat and sit down on your left heel. Lengthen out the right leg, keeping maybe a micro bend in your right knee so that we don't overextend the ligaments here. So we want to keep the knee safe. So don't overextend your right knee. We open the chest, place the hands towards the heart. Take 2 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale deep. And then slowly we walk our hands back towards the front of the mat and shift our weight back into downward facing dog. Inhale, reach your left leg up again. Exhale, now bend your left knee and move it around and underneath into fallen triangle. Reach your right hand towards the sky. Open your chest. Inhale deep. And exhale, slowly come back down into a downward facing dog. One more deep breath in. Exhale deep. Now with your next inhalation, step both of your feet to the outside of the mat and move your hands closer. We inhale and reach the left hand towards the right heel. Look underneath our right armpit into this little twist. With every exhalation, twist even deeper. Keep your hips straight. Slowly exhale, release. Inhale, reach your right hand towards your left heel. Look underneath your armpit. Twist even more with every exhalation. Slowly release your hand and then walk your hands towards the back and towards your feet. From here, just let yourself hang heavy. Shift your weight from one side to another. Maybe bend one knee a little bit and then the other. Maybe you want to reach your hands behind your back. Bringing your hands together, opening up the chest, drawing the shoulder blades together. And then slowly exhale, guide yourself down into yogic squat. We open up the chest, and I always love to press my upper arms against the thighs to open up even further. Straight spine, maybe closing your eyes here. Slowing down the breath. And with your next exhalations, bring your hands down and find your way into a seated posture. Now from here we want to bring our feet, the soles of the feet together into butterfly pose. Maybe allowing your knees to move up and down, to open up the hips even further. Or slowly finding stillness. Letting your hands go and just allow yourself to fold forward. And don't worry about the depth. We just want to take the chance in opening the hips a little bit more here. Just bringing this little extra space into the body. Inhale, slowly bring yourself back up. And then exhale, we bring our hands next to the body and allow ourselves to come down on the mats. Just stepping the right foot on top of the left thigh. And then just drawing your knee inside to your belly. Then reach your right arm through, thread the needle. Hold on to your left thigh or to the outside of your knee. Maybe closing your eyes. And just guide the leg a little bit closer to your body. Allowing the openness also on your right glutes. Slowly guide your legs towards the left side. Keeping them in this little bind, in this little twist, in this little pretzel, as you might say. Looking over to the right side. You're more than welcome to also open your hands here. Inhale, guide your knee back inside. And then just move your right leg down and then step your left foot on top of your right knee. Reach through. Hold on to your thigh on the right side. Keep your shoulders connected towards the mat. Opening up. Enjoying a little stretch. And exploring the depth in which you want to move. Inhale deep. Exhale. Guide your legs over to the right side. And look over to the left. Enjoying this twist. Surrendering to the mat. Coming back to yourself. And we don't want to stay too long here. Bringing both legs back inside. Maybe this time just hold on to both knees, massaging your back, and slowly letting go into our final and most important posture, Shavasana. And you're more than welcome to stay here for as long as you need. And as always, I will end the recording with an Om. So if you want to join me for the Om, you're more than welcome as well. Slowly moving back up into a seated position. Inhale, reach your hands towards the side and up over your head. Exhale, hands to heart. Deep breath in for Om. Feel the vibration of Om. And then slowly open back your eyes. For everyone staying in Shavasana, stay as long as you must, stay as long as you can. I thank you so much for joining me today for this quick and energizing yoga class here in beautiful Bavaria. I wish you the most blessed day. Namaste.